So in today's session, we're going to see how we can utilize AI in customer support and how we can increase our lead conversion, how we can automate the process of taking the leads in and qualifying the leads. As you see, like in leads-based business, most of the time is consumed in manual work. Like if you have your leads coming from social media, what you have to do, you have to pass those leads into your CRM, then you have to filter out those leads. Then those leads gonna be either approached via email, either you're gonna call them, most of them would not be interested in your service. Okay. So in that case, most of our time is wasted in this manual work. Okay. Instead of that, if we can have a very intelligent AI system which can save your time in transferring data from your entire pipeline. Okay. So if you have like 10 different channels for leads, okay, so what we can do, we can just make sure that anytime a lead comes in, it is passed to your CRM. And your team is also notified that we have a new lead that has arrived. Okay. With this thing, we can save our time and then we can call them. And for that, we can use a very powerful AI calling agent, which can call them and make sure if they are interested in your service or not. If they are interested, we can notify the team, which can further approach them. So all of our time would be focused on just qualified leads. And all that 70-80% of, you can say, leads that are not interested, our time would be saved. So for that, we have a lot of tools available right now, but we're going to just go over few tools which can basically uh, show you. So this is a very powerful AI system we developed recently for a real estate company. Okay, so if you see, there are a lot of things that are happening in here. So first thing is, if uh, any lead that comes via Facebook, okay, what we're going to do, we're going to post it to our CRM. So that is already connected to our Facebook leads account, and we have some forms and our pages. Okay, then we're going to clean some data and then we're going to post it to our CRM. So it's just that easy. Okay, and what else we can do? Uh, we need to notify the concerned team. Like if you have a sales team, there would be some people who are going to be considered for approaching the leads, who are going to be calling them, who are going to assign some person. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we're going to just take the data from our CRM. Okay, and so if you see, so this is for a real estate company. Okay, so let's say, so if I can show you, okay, so this is our CRM. Okay, so you see, this is our CRM for property management, and here we have like guest cards data that is coming in. Okay, so like there are a lot of people that are coming in and applying via Facebook, via some Google and everything. And for that, we have some people assigned. If I just open this thing, there are some people who are interested in our service, and what we want to do, we want to make sure that this thing goes really well. Okay, so we're going to assign to some person, call them, send them message and everything. So there are a bunch of CRMs that are available. We can do that thing. So what we're going to do, we're going to just take our data, okay, clean this data up, notify the sales team via email, okay, that a new lead has arrived. Okay, so we can see this thing. Okay, next thing is we have to call them. Okay, so for that we can use some agents, and we have a very powerful agent in here which has made 1,700 calls in just last 2 days. Okay, so these are 1,700 calls, which means if we have a very uh, customer support team, that can be just uh, save your time by having an AI agent which can call them. So we have an AI agent in here whose properties we have defined that, how your name is Olivia, you are for this department, these are your styles, and you're gonna approach them, you're gonna schedule the showing. If they hesitate or something, okay, and wrap up. Okay, so some facts. So we're gonna train our AI and all those things. Then we're gonna call. Okay, as those calls are being made, okay, we're gonna return if those calls are either picked up or they give some information. Okay, let's say they say, we are really interested in your service. So what we can do, we can then say, hey, okay, so you are interested in our apartments. So let's say if you want to come tomorrow, I'm gonna send you a calendar link so you remember that you have a showing for that thing. Okay, so we're gonna just send them a calendar reminder. Also notify our team that this thing is scheduled for this day, and you have to make sure that when they arrive, you give them a good tour. In most cases, in real estate, we see customer support. The customers does not pick up the call. So for that, also we can have like different follow back, or you can say fallback approaches. So here we have this thing. If the call is not picked up, we will send them a message. Hey, so you applied for this apartment. Are you interested? When we can call you when you're free. Okay. So we can run this thing like this complete system for a single lead. We can call them. Then for a week, we can send them follow-up text. Okay, in the morning and evening time, so they to make them interested. In that case, a single lead would be approached multiple times without getting missed. Okay, and all of our leads would either be converted, like if you have 1,700 calls and only 10 people are interested, so we don't have to have assign a person who's going to call those 1,700 times. So we can save our customer support cost. We can increase the performance by not missing a single call or a single message. All of the thing is automated. Okay, and the performance here is, but this tool we have right now made 30 appointments in just 2 days. Okay, so that's a very faster approach. We cut the noise, we cut everything, and with this thing we can do a lot of things.